I didn't know half of what dentistry really was before I came here.
Meeting entrepreneurs is kind of like intangible, something that I won't really do because like I can't contact them in any way, shape or form.
I didn't have the chance to get exposed to these artists or professionals.
We meet in actual entrepreneurs, and then they help us with what they call the Week 1 Challenge, where we collaborate with other students in order to create a pitch.
This morning we basically do a group painting. We're allowed to explore different painting skills.
I think with InvestIN, meeting a lot of professionals, it means you're constantly like one step ahead of the game. You're talking to professionals that are in the industry, they're not just teaching.
So we were doing impressions on each other, so all the students got a chance to have a go at being the dentist, being the nurse and being the patient as well.
Listening to their examples, like what they've done with their businesses and where they are at this point, and like everything that they have to come about and the challenges was amazing.
I've been through, or they're going to go through in the upcoming months or in the coming years. It's just trying to pass any knowledge that I have gathered in the last few years.
Any questions I have, I can ask them and I'll get really good answers, and especially like the practice for the interviews, because those are real and we have to do them face to face. I feel really inspired. Like whilst I'm here, I just want to become a dentist like right now.
Virtually everybody who I watched had their own individual talents, something to bring to the table, and what was also abundantly clear is that they've picked up things from the sessions that they've done. I was really blown away. Goodness me, there's so much hope for the future, it's great.